A resume is your first opportunity to make a strong impression when applying for a job. Creating an incredible resume requires more than just listing your job experiences. It's about presenting your skills and achievements in a compelling way while using words that attract the attention of the hiring manager. In this video, I will teach you how to quickly write an incredible resume that will get you hired. And just very quickly, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thousands of you are getting hired at the first attempt. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Let's get straight into the video where I will teach you how to create a powerful resume that lands you the job. Please take notes. Okay, to help you write an incredible attention-grabbing resume, I will cover the following 4 things in this video. Number 1, I will quickly explain the purpose of a resume. If you understand what a resume is used for and how the hiring manager will assess it, it will help you get hired. Number 2, I will then tell you the 6 different sections to include in your resume. Number 3, I will then quickly give you the 11 most powerful words you should use on your resume to grab the attention of the hiring manager. And then number 4, I will tell you where you can instantly download my brilliant ready-made resume templates. Okay, to begin with, let me explain the purpose of a resume and how the hiring manager will assess it. Please take notes. The purpose of a resume is to shortlist those candidates who have the skills, knowledge, and experience to meet the role's demands. The hiring manager will assess your resume against the job description, and if they like what they read, they will invite you to an interview. Now, if you tailor your resume for the job you are applying for, your chances of getting hired will increase by 300%. Treat your resume as a marketing tool to help you land the job you desire. Okay, let me now tell you the 6 different sections to include in your resume, and I will then give you 11 brilliant words you can use to grab the attention of the hiring manager. Again, please take notes. Section number 1 of your resume is the personal statement. The personal statement is the first thing the hiring manager will read. It is a powerful, attention-grabbing statement that details your enthusiasm for the position, skills and strengths, and your knowledge and experience that will add value to the company. Now, your personal statement should be approximately 150 words in length. Let me now give you a brilliant example personal statement that is perfect for all job roles. Here we go. Personal statement example. Thank you for considering my application for the position of, insert the position with, insert the company's name. I'm a dynamic, results-driven professional who thrives in fast-paced environments. With a proven track record of success, I bring adaptability, creative problem-solving, and innovative thinking. My background in task completion, project management, customer service, and team collaboration has equipped me to handle complex challenges with confidence and deliver excellent results. I thrive turning complex concepts into clear, actionable insights thanks to my strong analytical and communication skills. Whether working independently or as part of a team, I maintain a positive attitude and a proactive, self-motivated approach. Integrity and ethical practices are at the core of my professional interactions and decision making. I am eager to learn and grow, ready to take on new challenges, and driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence. I'm excited about the possibility of contributing my diverse skills and experience to, insert the company's name, and bringing my expertise to the team to help the organization thrive. Section 2 of your resume is the skills section. In this short section, quickly outline the skills you have that will add value to the company. Use bullet points to outline your skills, and here are 5 example skills to help you. Project completion. I am proficient in overseeing and coordinating projects from inception to completion, ensuring timely delivery, adherence to budget, and alignment with my team's objectives. Problem solving and critical thinking. I possess strong analytical skills to identify problems, generate effective solutions, and implement them efficiently. Communication. I have exceptional verbal and written communication skills, and am capable of effectively conveying information, ideas, and concepts to diverse audiences. Customer service excellence. I am dedicated to providing outstanding customer service by addressing inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring overall customer satisfaction. Conflict resolution. I am adept at handling conflicts and complaints with professionalism and tact to ensure my team thrives. Okay, section 3 of your resume is your work experience. In this section, include brief details of your work history with your most recent or current job first. Again, use bullet points and list your job title, the company you work for, and key duties undertaken. Section 4 of your resume is achievements. In this very important section of your resume, list any work or personal achievements attained. Again, use bullet points and, where possible, include numbers to quantify your achievements. Here is a list of 5 example achievements that use numbers to attract the hiring manager's attention. Achievement number 1. Increased sales revenue. I boosted sales revenue by 30% within the first 6 months by implementing targeted marketing campaigns and optimizing sales processes. Achievement number 2, customer satisfaction improvement. I improved customer satisfaction scores by 15% through the completion of customer service training programs and asking customers for feedback. Achievement number 3, cost reduction. I achieved a 20% reduction in operational costs by streamlining office processes and negotiating more favorable supplier contracts. Achievement number 4, lead generation growth. I generated over 100 qualified leads per month by launching a multi-channel digital marketing strategy, leading to a 17% increase in sales conversions. And achievement number 5, project delivery. I successfully managed and delivered 10 high-impact projects within a year, each completed on time and under budget, enhancing overall company productivity by 40%. In section 5 of your resume, you should include your education background and certifications. In this next section, list your educational background and any relevant certifications attained. You should include qualifications earned, including the subjects, educational institutions attended, training courses completed, and certificates you have attained. And in the 6th and final section of your resume, you should put down references. In this final section of your resume, include the names and contact details of 2 people who will vouch for your ability to do the job you are applying for professionally and competently. Now, most people put references available upon request, but by adding the actual names and contact details of the references will really help you get hired. Okay, in a second, I am going to give you those 11 brilliant words you should use on your resume to grab the attention of the hiring manager. But before I do that, if you want to download my brilliant ready-made resume templates that you can tweak and amend, click that link right now. Okay, here are those 11 powerful words you should use on your resume. Please write these down. Word number 1 is achieved. This word demonstrates success and accomplishment. Word number 2 is implemented. This word shows you can put plans into action. Word number 3 is improved. This word indicates you can enhance processes or results. Word number 4 is managed. This word highlights leadership and organizational skills. Word number 5 is developed. This word suggests creativity and innovation. Word number 6 is led. This word reflects your ability to guide and inspire others. Word number 7 is initiated. This powerful resume word shows proactivity and self-motivation. Word number 8 is collaborated. This word indicates teamwork and cooperative skills. Word number 9 is resolved. This word demonstrates problem-solving capabilities. Word number 10 is exceeded. This great word shows you can surpass expectations. And word number 11 is streamlined. This word indicates efficiency and productivity improvements. Okay, now the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further and to make your life easier is to click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download my formidable ready-made resume templates. Download these, you can then tweak and amend them because they come as a Word document, and then you can use them quickly to apply for any job role. If you want all of these right now as a download, click that link in the top right hand corner of the video. Finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thousands of you are getting hired. I can only help you if you are subscribed. Please hit the like button because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It is always an honor and a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the very best for getting hired. Have a wonderful day.